A very warm welcome to my dear students. How are you all? Once again, I welcome you all in today's maths class. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is three-digit subtraction without borrow. So are you ready to begin the class? Previously, as we have already learned, that subtraction means to take away from a group of things, and minus is the symbol used for subtraction. So this is a minus symbol which is used for subtraction. Also, we learn about place value, which tells us the value of each digit in a given number. So if you remember, in place value topic, we have learned the name of different place value representing each digit in a given number. And they are ones, tens, and hundreds. So today we are going to learn three-digit subtraction. That's why we are going to take ones, tens, and hundreds as the place value for a three-digit number. Now here are the steps to be followed while doing three-digit subtraction. First step is always count the total number of digits in the given numbers. Second step, arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value. So here three-digit number is there, so place value will start from ones, tens till hundreds. Point is, remember when you are arranging the numbers, start from the ones place. Fourth point, start subtracting the numbers from the ones place and count from smaller number to bigger number. So always remember these 4 points while you are doing three-digit subtraction. Let's take up some examples. Example number 1 is subtract 587 minus 256. So the first step is writing the place value starting from ones, tens, then hundreds. After that, we are going to write the numbers in the boxes again starting from ones place. So first number is 587, so I am going to write it in the box. 7, 8 and 5. Then I'm going to write the next number, that is 256, starting from 6, 5 and 2. As we know, we have to subtract these numbers. I'm going to put minus sign here. Now we are going to subtract the numbers from the ones place. So remember, always count from smaller number to bigger number. So as we can see, smaller number is 6, bigger number is 7. So let's count. So we'll get 1. That means 7 minus 6 is 1. Let's come to tens place. So we have bigger number 8, smaller number 5. So let's count from smaller number till bigger number on our fingers. That will be 6, 7, 8. So I got 3 as the answer. Let's go to hundreds column now. So bigger number is 5 and smaller number is 2. So let's count from smaller number till bigger number on our finger. So I'll get 3, 4, 5. So I got 3 fingers. And the answer will be 331. So this is our final answer. Let's take example number 2. Here you have to subtract 665 minus 125. Start writing the place value, ones, tens and hundreds. Then write the numbers in the boxes, 5, 6, and again 6. Then write the next number, 5, 2, and 1. Put the minus sign. Then start subtracting the numbers from the ones column. So as you can see, in ones column we have 5 and again we have 5. So whenever you see the same number, you will get the answer as 0. Why? Because suppose if you have 5 toffees and I take all the 5 toffees from you. So how many toffees will be left with you? You will have no toffee left with you. That's why we have written 0 here. So always remember, whenever same numbers are there and you have to subtract the number, you will get 0 as the answer. Let's go to the tens column now. We have 6 and 2. Smaller number is 2 and bigger number is 6. So let's count on our fingers from smaller number till bigger number. We'll get 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 4. Let's go to the hundreds column now. Smaller number is 1, bigger number is 6. So let's count from 1 till 6. I'll get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 540. Up this last example. Subtract 437 minus 221. So I will write ones, tens, hundreds. Then I will write the number 7, 3, 4. And then I'll write the next number 1, 2, and again. After this, I am going to put the minus symbol. Now let's subtract the numbers from ones. So the smaller number is 1, bigger number is 7. Count from 1 till 7 on your finger. Are you ready? Let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fingers I got? 6. Let's go to tens column now. So here smaller number is 2, bigger number is 3. So what you will get if you count from 2 till 3? You will get 1. Now come to the hundreds column. Smaller number is 2 and bigger number is 4. So count from 2 till 4 on your finger. You will get 3, 4. So how many fingers? I get 2. And the final answer will be 216. So this is how we are going to solve subtraction questions related to 3-digit number. So always remember, write the place value, then write the numbers in the boxes, put the minus symbol and start subtracting the numbers from ones column. And always remember, you have to count from smaller number till bigger number on your finger. Then count the total number of fingers you get and write the answer. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. I have uploaded a worksheet dated 19th August. Kindly complete it in your notebook. I am going to meet you next time with a new video and a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much, my dear students.